For many organizations, Microsoft Teams is the enterprise tool of choice for connecting people to solve problems. And for many of those same organizations, Power Virtual Agents is the ideal tool for building chatbots. So wouldn't it be great if a PVA chatbot could connect to a human agent through Teams? Well, it turns out you can. Hello, I'm Russ Williams, and I'm going to demonstrate the free open source reference application you see here that does exactly that. I'll start with the agent console I built using the Teams Toolkit extension in Visual Studio Code. This extension is amazing. It has everything you need to build a Teams app. You just add your custom code and it's ready to be deployed in Teams. Let me show you what I mean. When I start the debugger here, it launches a Teams development environment for you to debug your Teams app. The first dialog you see asks where you want the app to be installed in Teams. I'm going to choose a team. And I'll choose the first team here, which is an ordinary team I created from the help desk template, which is perfect for an IT help desk. The next dialog here is the configuration step that I could have customized if my app had configuration settings, but it doesn't, so I'll just click Save. And now what you see is the agent console running in Teams. It's not much to look at this point, so we'll come back to this in a minute. Now I want to show you the bot I used in this demo. It's your basic out-of-the-box bot, so there's nothing out of the ordinary here, but I have added an example order status topic, and I modified the standard escalate topic that has these trigger phrases. And I added this transfer to agent action, which is how you escalate a Power Virtual Agent conversation to a human agent, no matter what the engagement hub you're using. Be that omnichannel for Microsoft Dynamics or LivePerson, or in my case, it's my custom engagement hub I just showed you. If you have context that needs to be shared with the agent, you can pass it in this field here, and you'll see this context in the agent console in a minute. This last piece of the puzzle is the sample app that hosts the web chat control that I've extended with an agent experience for escalated conversations. Keep in mind, this is just an ordinary web page that could be anywhere on the internet, being visited by ordinary internet users and not Teams users. The web chat experience you see here is exactly what you'd expect and supports the normal conversational experiences, as you can see here with this welcome prompt. And since this is an SDK web chat control, it also supports advanced features like adaptive cards. Now, to see the agent experience in action, I'll type a trigger phrase for the escalation topic that I showed you earlier, which had that transfer to agent action in it, which will cause an escalation event to be sent out. Now, my agent experience is built to listen for these escalation events, and when it receives one, it launches the Agent tab and sends an escalation request to the Teams Engagement Hub, as you'll see here. So I'll play the role of an agent here, and I'll click the green answer button, and now the user and the agent can chat back and forth. You'll notice that the conversation between the user and agent happens on an entirely separate thread. This means that the user can switch back to the chat window and interact with the bot while they're still talking to the agent. When the escalated conversation is over and the agent ends the chat, the agent experience will disappear and the conversation with the bot picks up right where it left off. Well, that's the demo. And if you'd like to try this out yourself and explore the code in detail, you can clone my repo at this bit.ly TeamsHub link and have at it. This repo has everything you'll need and explains how it all works and provides step-by-step instructions for getting it up and running. Enjoy!